Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to Infosys Analyst Meet, and thanks for taking your time today for being here. As always, Infosys always believed in constant interactions with investors, with analysts, to share our perspectives, to address your concerns, hear your concerns. We have always believed constant interaction would help in minimizing the asymmetry of information between the company and the investors. So today we have the entire management team of Infosys here, and today we want to keep the session very focused, and we also want to keep the session more interactive, less of PPTs, more of discussions, more of demos, more pointed discussions, no tangential discussions. So today we want to address some of these items which are on the top of your mind. Whether it is on Q1 or Q2, 17, leadership, attrition, retention, more importantly, progress on strategy execution, updates on automation, new services, sales effectiveness, and so on. And most importantly, there are exciting demos on MANA, on automation, I'm sure, which you would really like. So we will start with Vishal and Praveen providing the business updates. Then we have our presidents, Ravi, who is execution guru of the company here. So he will talk about the automation and MANA progress. Then we have the taskmaster, Mohit Joshi, talk about the new deal wins and the large deal wins, the top account growth, and so on. Where are we? What are we doing? And the ever-energetic Sandeep Dadlani and the go-getter Dadlani on new services and the platforms, what are we doing there? In addition, we have a lot of our leadership team here. We have HR Binod here. We have our Deputy CFO Jayesh here. We have Mr. Jha, who heads our products here. We have Sudeep Singh. We have Narsimha, Vishal Salve, a whole lot of Deepak Padiki. They're all here. We'll be very happy to interact with you post sessions and during the sessions to address any of your questions. So what I'll do before I hand it over to Vishal is really to quickly take you a kind of a recap of Q1. And here I would like to focus on the year-on-year perspective, because we all know the sequential perspective, because Q1 also has certain seasonalities. So I just want to briefly touch upon before I hand over to Vishal. As you know, the revenue growth year-on-year was 10.9% in reported terms, as compared to 5.7% same Q1 last year. Likewise, if I were to break up the overall growth of 2.2%, different components of our business grew differently. And we're going to touch upon this in more detail in Vishal's session. If you look at core IT business, grew 3.6% sequentially. And products, platforms, and others, including, though the Finacle degrew, we had very good growth in the new pieces, which grew 7.1%. And of course, the consulting package implementation pieces, as we discussed earlier, degrew about 1%. So overall was 2.2, but there are components of our growth engine which are healthy. Now, top accounts and large deal wins momentum, as you know, was 9.2%. Top 10 accounts grew as compared to 6.3. Average size of our top 10 accounts increased, though in small amount. Large deal wins momentum in Q1 was higher, and most importantly, the number of $100 million accounts. We saw about 3 increase last quarter in Q1. Pricing, there was a year-on-year decline of 1.3% in Q1 of this year in reported terms. In constant currency, it was more like 0.2. This is something which we need to address through internal productivity measures, which we are going to touch upon later. And the operating efficiency levers. We keep talking about this, over the last couple of quarters. There have been some good progress in indicators like utilization in last quarter, as well as if you look at the employee cost as percentage of total revenue in Q1 of this year was slightly better than Q1 of last year. Subcon, there was a small uptick there. Overall operating margin in Q1 was better than the operating margin of previous year. On-site effort mix continues to be a factor that we need to work on because some of the new project starts are typically on-site heavy, so we need to really work on it. And utilization was in Q1, there was an uptick. Likewise, the operating cash flow in Q1 was healthy, and we also had a small reduction in DSO as compared to Q1 of the previous year. Likewise, in dividend payout, if you compare the whole year, we had a healthy dividend payout. As per our revised dividend payout policy, we increased from 30 to 40 to 50. We paid 50. And also, as a consequence, the liquid assets as a percentage of total assets over the last couple of years has been dropping. I think these are all some of the key highlights that I want to keep this in the background of our Q1 performance and how does it compare of Q1 of previous year. Now, I request Vishal to provide a broad business update and progress on strategy execution.